bag of onions without going rotten. Okay, you can have them for months and then you still use them and then they will stay fresh as a new one. Okay, so in today's video, as you are watching this video, please kindly share to all your friends and families, share to all your social media handles, share to your WhatsApp group. You are free to share my videos, you are free to comment. Okay, and like this video and share. Thank you so much as you did that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Give me that love and like. I like it. It makes me happy when I see this red heart, red it popping up. And you subscribe. When you subscribe to my channel, don't just subscribe, press the button. That button, when you press the button, press tap on all. So that means whenever I'm on live video, you'll be notified ASAP and then you join. Earlier the better. Okay. So in today's video, grab your popcorn. Come on, sit down. Let's teach because all these little things you can avoid inflation. Okay. So this is all tips that I give on my channel. Health tips that makes me don't go shopping. Things don't get waste in my house except I'm tired. Okay. So when I'm tired and then I can let some things off. Okay. So it doesn't mean the end of the world, right? But do as much as you can, try as much as possible to preserve things, and then your freeze, you're not going to run out of food, you're not going to run out of food stocks in your house. You're going to, in fact, your account will not go red. You can't be spending overdraft in your account when you follow my channel because you have all tips that will help you. Okay, being a mom of young ones, teenagers or grown-up ones, grandmother. So when you watch my video, there are things you will learn, you will take away there. Okay, this is my real face, no filter. I find oh God, I clap for myself. Thank you so much. As you watch this video, grab your popcorn. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be using. If you have not got this, one thing again. All right, I have a link there. If you feel like cheerful giver, okay, you want to give me anything, I have a link there. Buy me a coffee. You can press on that. Buy me a coffee. Why not? Okay. So thank you so much as you stay. Right. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate that. Please give me that love and like I want to pop it up. Tap on my cheek, tap on my big nose, tap on my big eye, and tap on my big lips, tap on my heart, tap anyway. Okay. And then just give me that love and like. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. If you've not got this, so today it's going to do the job, the magic, right? So I'm going to be using this one. You don't get tired of it at all. You can use it for potatoes and preserve your potatoes. This is what I do. I can prove it. So I have some that are still in the freezer. So I'm going to be using the small one. Let's open it. Yeah, it's not opened. More small ones. I like small onions. So you take that out. I'm fixing this one. Jello. Everybody can say anything. People will always say things anyway. So don't allow that to tie you down. Like, what will people say? Don't fall for that. Because at the end of the day, people will always say things. People will always say anything. Look after yourself. Look after your health. Do you. Don't allow anybody to come from anywhere and give you. They're going to stick together. They're going to stick together. So this one, you need to have one in your kitchen. If you haven't got one, that one, you'll be seeing this around TikTok shop. So and this is where you leave it as stressful. See, I love it. See, look at that. So you can have a bag of onion chop for the whole year to go to work 12 hours money. My name is Sasha, and exactly, yeah, that's why I told you, Sasha, whatever I do natural. It's what I do on my channel. what I do, that let me show you. These ones are frozen ones. These ones are frozen ones. Look at that. They are frozen ones. The small blade. The reason why I'm using the small blade, look at the small blade. So when you are cooking jollof rice, fried rice, they can fit in them. All right. When you're making tomato stew, they can fit in them. But this one, you see how chunky they are? So this one, I can have it. I want to just for fried rice or jollof rice. So this one is good size. So normally what I do, I have a chunky one, and then I get small ones here. Take a look at it. You see that? Look at that. Can you see that? They are so tiny. You know, children of this Western world, most of them, they don't like onion. They don't eat onion. When they see it, you're going to put them off. How can you stand for ages and then at the end of the day, you cook? They didn't eat your food. You're like, oh, what did I just do? Standing for nothing, cooking for nothing, and nobody's eating it. Yes, you can't do anything about it. Yeah, you can have it if you want. That's what they're going to say. Have it if you want. And then you end up eating alone. No. See, last one. So that's a whole lot of onion I've done in less than 5 minutes. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Save yourself from stress. You see these ones that were growing, they are also good as well. Put them for just color. You chop bell pepper and all that, chop everything. Put them in the freezer. They stay long and you have enough space. Our kitchen is small. See? Beautiful. So you keep them in the freezer. Make sure you don't tie it so tight like this. No, not like that, because they're going to be sticking together because they are wet. Make sure you all done, ready. Clean it, towel it. That's it. Beautiful. That's amazing. Click on the yellow basket and